What's up, OMG Nation? Man, I have bug guts on my visor already. Right smack dab in the middle. I just cleaned it too. That did not work. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't even know if I'm looking in the right spot, but I just smeared it. So I made it worse. So it says it's not supposed to rain until 4, but it looks like it's about to rain now. I don't know. We'll see. This freshly paved tar interstate, sometimes they worry me. They look like they're oily. Here we go, big bump. Eesh. All right, I should have. Oh golly, I should have got over. We're getting over now. That did not feel good at all. That hit me everywhere. Look, everybody's passing me like I'm sitting still. I'm doing 60. Well, I was doing 65, now I'm doing 70. Except that guy. Way to drive safe, buddy. But look at these cars are pulling away from me. Look at this truck coming up to my left hand side right here. Whoa! Yeah. So I'm 65. He's doing at least 75, 80. Is it just Tennessee, or where you live? And drop it down in the comments wherever you live. The people drive like maniacs on the interstate. The last time I was in Texas, I was riding through Houston. And I believe the interstate sign, speed limit sign says 75. I was doing 75 miles an hour. And I promise you, it was like I was sitting still. Everybody was passing me, and I felt like that I was doing 20 mile an hour slower than everybody else. I got all the way over to the far right lane, and people were still coming up behind me, right in my bumper, and I'm doing the posted speed limit sign. I was like, this is crazy. Oh, look, here we come. Big bump. I felt that one in my pancreas. I know sometimes I watch some of the moto vloggers out of Florida, and there's a particular interstate out there that they all seem to talk about being very dangerous. The cages run around like mad. So we are 18 days, well, 17 days. Well, I guess we're 18 days. We are 18 days into the new cell phone law in Tennessee. Let's see how many folks we can spot riding around chatting it up on their cell phone. I should have just, ooh, don't tread on me. That dude's packing. He's riding. The first guy is talking on his cell phone. Hold on. Shoot, I should have slowed down. The first guy we pass is chatting it up on his cell phone. I'm gonna slow down right here and let him get beside me. Chat, chat. Yes, sir. That's a $50 fine there, buddy. Oh, and when you go through a construction zone, it's automatically $200. And he has now entered a construction zone on his cell phone. $200, sir. Pay the man. That looked like a lot of dudes standing around, not doing very much of anything. Let's see if this dude's still on his cell phone. Oh, he finally hung up. But do you get points for distance? That's what I want to know. We just drove 3 blocks. I gotta slow down. Reduce speed ahead. Nice, picking his teeth. This dude's doing. This dude is a multitasker while he's driving. This is the kind of dude that'll run into somebody and say, "They came out of nowhere. Shoot fire." You dummy. Well, let's just come to a complete stop right here. Brentwood PD. Girl, quit looking at your phone. I caught you. So I gotta run over to it's raining. Oh no. It's not supposed to rain for a while. Lame. I don't care. Just give me a chance to test my shoes in the rain. Do I have anything in my pockets or my wallet? I'll put it inside of my jacket. I wonder if it's gonna just kind of briefly rain. Anyways, I'm running over to Lowe's to grab maybe some 3M tape or something for the back of this little metal piece right here. It's a magnet, or I guess this is the magnet, and that little metal piece popped off of my phone. That's it. That's all the rain. That'll work. Okay, see, here's what happened. This thing came off the back of my phone and was stuck to this, and I had to use the trusty old Dale Earnhardt knife to get it off. Well, it's off. So now I went in the store and I bought some Loctite super glue. So hopefully, let's see, where can I do this where I won't screw up anything I own? Right here is perfect. Hopefully I can just do like so, and put that back in there. Try to get it halfway decent. Okay. I wonder how long this takes to set. I'm going to leave it right there for just a memento. Hopefully. I guess I'll put this in here. I would almost rather if it breaks or something for it to break inside of here. What's this? A snot rag? Nice. We'll see if that works. I really don't know how long to let it. I guess I probably should have read the instructions. Oop, it moved. It moved again. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna leave that there for a minute. It's on. Oh, I'm so afraid to do it right now. I'm gonna do it. Gosh! Seriously? See? I did it too soon. This takes a while to set, I guess. I must have changed the settings because I can't hear my GPS inside of my helmet anymore. I know I was messing around on my online app the other day. I wonder if I accidentally turned something off. I know I was clicking some things on and off. Yeah, way to run that light, buddy. Caught you looking, brother. Caught you looking. Boy, that house looks like it's sinking in on itself. I tell you what, baby. This is why I keep saying, if you haven't been to Tennessee, we've got some of the prettiest roads. And it's so nice. Somebody's raising some, what do you raise bees and make honey? Or I guess, how does that work? That's a different looking kind of big huge white house.